Come and cook with me. I'm just here. Come and cook with me. I'm just here. Hey everybody, what's going on? It's your girl Just T coming at you guys with a nice little recipe. Guys, today we're going to be making some chicken and rice. But we're going to be doing this in the oven. So I'm going to go ahead and just jump on into this video. First, I'm starting out with some chicken thighs that I have right here. You want to make sure you go ahead and clean your chicken thighs. And I'm just going to run over the list of ingredients really quick, but I'm going to add them down into the description box as well. So I have granulated garlic powder. I have some onion powder. We have parsley flakes. I have some ground black pepper, some Italian seasoning. I have 2 envelopes of Sazon. I have the chicken bouillon in the powder. Also, I'm going to be using the adobo. So I'm back and I went ahead and I just added in all my seasonings inside of this bowl. Like I said, I'm going to put the description box in the description box, everything that I used in here. But I did forget to mention about the paprika. So I also have that in there as well. So you're just going to go ahead and mix everything up together so it's combined. And I'm going to be using a little bit of canola oil that I'm going to put on my chicken as well before I put the seasonings on the chicken. You can use olive oil, whatever oil you want to use. I'm just going to use some canola oil. I'm just pouring a little bit of that on there. So that's going to help crisp it up too. And I have my oven preheated, guys, for 375. And I'm also going to heat up a pan on the stove top as well. Okay, guys, so once you go ahead and you get your chicken all seasoned up, you want to season it up really good. And I'm going to place it inside of here. I'm just going to sear both sides of the chicken thighs. Just want to get yourself a nice color on that chicken. And you have that oil on there too, so it shouldn't stick for you. It should come right up. So I'm just gonna sear both sides and I'll bring you guys right back. Okay guys, so I'm back and both sides of my chicken have seared, and I'm just gonna flip this back over, skin side up. You're not trying to cook it at this point because we're gonna put this in the oven. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and add in my vegetables in here. I have some celery, I have a half an onion in here, green bell pepper, poblano pepper. So you can put whatever vegetables you want to put inside of your chicken and rice. These are just the ones I'm using, but I'll list them in the description box as well. I just want to saute these a little bit. I'm gonna put a little bit of butter in here as well. So once your vegetables have finished cooking for a little bit, you're gonna go ahead and pour in 2 cups of the chicken broth. And also I'm gonna pour in my rice. And I'm going in with 1 cup of white rice. Just gonna give this all a little mix. Now this amount that I'm making with the rice, this is gonna be enough for 4 people, okay? Like as far as rice, because I only used 1 cup. So if you want to make more rice, then you just use the directions, follow the directions on the back of your box. And then all I'm gonna do now is just sit my chicken back in here. Sit your chicken back and just pop it into the oven, 375 for about 30 to 45 minutes, depending on how long it's going to take for your chicken to finish cooking. All right, now I'll bring you guys back once I take everything out the oven. Guys, welcome back. So I went ahead after 45 minutes. I took this out of the oven and it's actually all done now. So the only thing left you have to do is you just want to fluff up your rice. So you just, take your chicken out and fluff up your rice. If you want your skin to be a little bit more crispier, then you can always put that in the oven on like a low broil and just let it crisp up a little bit. But this is it, you guys, quick and easy, and it's good. All right. As always, guys, it's just tea. I hope you all have a blessed rest of your day and stay forever blessed. I'm out. Stay forever blessed.